Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to check your slime hacks which my sis thinks that doesn't work. So अगर वो slime hack work करता है तो we get a point, but if that hack doesn't work then she get a point. So now without wasting much time, let's see that who is going to win and who is going to lose. So stick to this video till end to see the results. So now let's go. The first hack she chose is mix any shampoo with salt and keep it in freezer for 24 hours. So here I am using Pantene shampoo and इसके अंदर मैं 1 spoon salt डाल रही हूँ and now we have to just mix it. So now we have to just keep it in freezer for 24 hours. So guys, I transfer that mixture into this airtight container क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि अगर मैं उसको ऐसे ही रख दूंगी तो वो freeze हो जाएगा, slime नहीं बनेगा. And it looks something like this. So now let's see it works or not. So guys, it doesn't work. It's just like a thick paste of shampoo. It doesn't even look like slime. So now our points are 1-0. Yeah, so now let's move to our next hack. Okay, so for this hack we need any shampoo and any toothpaste and some Fevicol, and then we have to just mix it. Here I am using the same shampoo which I used previously, which is Pantene, and now I am adding some toothpaste in it. So now we have to add Fevicol in it. So they don't tell me the quantity, so I think this much is okay, and now we have to just mix it. So guys, you can see that this hack also doesn't work, so which means that we have to give my sis 1 more point, which is not good, but we have to give it, and now the scores are 2-0. So guys, we have to do something. Now let's just move to our next hack. Oh my god, she chose 1 more shampoo hack. She thinks that shampoo doesn't make slime, and she's right. Now for this hack we need to take Clinic Plus shampoo and then add sugar and mix it well. So you can see that I take Clinic Plus shampoo, उसके अंदर sugar डाल दिया, and now I am mixing it. So they don't tell me that इसको कितना mix करना है. So yeah, I am just mixing it until it looks like slime. So guys, now it's 30 minutes and मैं इसको mix करती जा रही हूँ but it doesn't even look like slime. बस ये केक की icing की तरह लग रहा है. I don't know how, but yeah, so this means that this point also goes to my sis. Yeah, but I don't know how guys, we are losing and now the points are 3-0. Now just let's move to our next hack. Okay, so basically in this hack we have to take a bowl and then add toothpaste. So here I am adding Colgate, and then we have to add Fevicol into that paste, and after that we have to add our activator, and then our slime is ready. So here I am adding toothpaste and now water. I think this much is good. No, a little bit more. Yeah, this much is good. And now we have to just mix it. So now I am done with the mixing, and here I am adding a little bit color because she said color is optional. So now we have to just add our Fevicol in it, and same here, she don't tell me the quantity कि क्या कितना डालना है. So I'm just adding with my measurements कि हाँ इतना ठीक रहेगा. So yeah, I'm just adding it itna and I think it's good. And now we have to just mix it. So now I'm done with the mixing and now we have to just add our activator. So यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस सोल्यूशन एंड आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कॉन्टैक्ट लेंस सोल्यूशन से फेविकॉल स्लाइम में बन पाएगा या नो, बिकॉज आई नेवर ट्राई समथिंग लाइक दिस. So guys, I keep mixing it from past 5 minutes and it doesn't look like slime. Guys, I think that अगर हम इसके अंदर बोरेक्स डालते instead of contact lens solution then it works 100%. So yeah, it's my fault कि मेरे पास बोरेक्स नहीं है इसलिए मैंने contact lens solution डाला. लेकिन अगर हम बोरेक्स डालते तो ये काम करता. So that's why I'm giving us a 1 point and now the scores are 3-1. So now that's all about today's video, and in today's video we lose. I am the one, the way your son don't need. So now let's just give my sister a big applause. और जिन्होंने मुझे ये हैक बताया सो डोंट वरी, बिकॉज आई नो कि आप लोगों ने भी ये हैक कहीं से देखे होंगे. आपको लगा होगा कि ये काम करते हैं बट या ये दे डोंट वर्क. सो या डोंट ट्राई देम एंड इट्स ओके. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. So till next video, bye.